how to connect your MetaMask wallet to your Trust wallet. Now, in order for us to proceed, we're just going to open our MetaMask first, and then I want you to head over to the settings down here, and then we're going to click the security and privacy. Now, from this point forward here, you should be able to see an option that says reveal secret recovery phrase. Now, you can just go ahead and click that over there, and then click the get started here, and then you're going to answer these two questions. So I'm gonna answer, can it help you? Continue. You're being scammed, continue. And then basically from here, what you're going to do is just type your password in order for you to see your recovery phrase. Now, after the recovery phrase, you should be able to copy it. This is an example right here. Now, I want you to head over to your Trust wallet. Once done, I'm gonna go ahead and open mine here. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the settings here at the top left corner, click wallets, and then we're going to click main wallets. Instead of main wallets, I'm so sorry. We're going to go ahead and click the settings, wallets, and then click the plus sign over here. Now we're going to go ahead and add an existing wallet. Now go ahead and choose a secret phrase and then choose multi-coin wallet. From this point forward, you're just going to basically paste those 12 key that you have copied earlier. After copying it, go ahead and paste it in multi-coin wallet and then click restore wallet. All right, and there you go. So we are now done. As you can see, we are now able to add something in our multi-coin wallet. So let's go back a little bit. All right. Here, go ahead and click the settings here, click wallets, and you should be able to see that now we have another wallet here. It's called main wallets too. And then if you're going to click this one, this is actually your MetaMask wallet. And that, everybody, is how you're going to connect your MetaMask wallet to your Trust wallet.